What's up, guys? Welcome to Where's Wojo. I'm gonna keep the intro short. Let's go fishing. But you closed your thing. Babe, grab it. You got it? Do you got it?
Yep.
Awesome. Jace, come here. Sierra's got one. Oh, your pole's gone.
This is a big one.
Here, Jace.
What?
We got two going.
He's pulling the drag. What? Let me get that one. You need to get a pair of gloves on, Jace.
Here, you hold on to this. Just hold on to it, okay? I got it. I'm coming. Jace got a big one on too. All right.
You got it, Jace?
It's a big one.
Here, I'll help him.
Here, you
get
go.
this one.
All right.
Here, give it to me.
That one's a real big one.
Two? Look at that one. My touch is on. My touch is on.
We're gonna leave.
I touched it on.
He might be wrapped around something. Let him chill for a minute.
That's probably why you need to.
Yeah.
Hold the tail. Or are you gonna hold it like that?
Dropped it.
Don't open his mouth.
What? What?
Here.
Here, I'll hold him like this.
Something went in his mouth?
You got him?
Yeah.
What was? Hey, look. Did someone get this person?
All right. You want to hold him long ways or sideways or anything? All right, go release him so I can get this one. Is he still on there, Jace?
I feel something still.
Oh yeah, he's still on there.
Yeah, I'm holding him.
You got him? Be careful. Be careful going down. Here's the net, babe. I'm gonna try and get a good video. Oh!
Tangled up, you twisted in this one. Bring him to me, Jace. Oh yeah, he's going good. It's a big one, Jace.
Yeah, Jace. Good job, buddy.
Good job. You got him all up here by yourself except with the net. I helped with the net.
Everybody needs help with the net, though.
You need to get him in the water soon.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get him out. And then we'll worry about the pliers in a minute.
All right.
I want Jace to get his picture with him.
You got it?
Yeah. That line's all twisted up.
There you go.
All right, here you go, Jace.
Here, hold him by them pliers and I'll get you fixed.
All you gotta do is hold on to that, okay? Hold it tight, because he might flap around.
Here, come over here.
Look at that big old catfish, buddy. That's your biggest one so far. Stay right there. Hold on to him. Hold on to him tight. All right, let's go put him back in. Hold on to it. Let's put him back in.
Drone?
No, don't throw it with that. We're just gonna go set it down here. Come on.
What do I do?
We're just gonna set it over here and then watch this. Just take these and open them up like this.
That was a big one.
That was a good catfish, wasn't it?
Still stuck to.
He's gone. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5, Clyde. Nice one. Grab it. Yeah. Nice.
I don't think it's anything big. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it is. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh, yeah. It woke up, didn't it? Oh, gosh.
Yeah, it's a catfish.
Dang, it's a big one, ain't it? Might need to loosen your drag just a tad so it don't. Go!
Are you recording?
Yeah. Golly, babe. This gonna be your best catfish, ain't it?
You got the net?
Yep. As soon as you can get him up here, I'm ready. Oh, oh gosh.
Don't.
Dang, that thing put up a good fight, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Let me get my gloves.
I love these circle hooks. They get them right in the corner of the mouth every time. Dang, that's a chunky one. Let's go put him on the measure.
Dang.
He's about the same size as the other one. He's
Yep,
right
23.
at 22.
You want to weigh him? He's a fat one. You can if you want.
I
Unless
ain't
you...
worried about it.
Okay. Turn him a little bit. That's his belly. There you go. There you go. Nice. Good job, babe.
I'm good. I'll get them out. I'll get them out. I'm trying to get it back. I believe we caught one and none of us caught one down.
You alright?
Let me see. Is that a catfish? Yeah. It is a catfish.
Yep.
That's a giant one. You want to keep that?
Let's measure him and stuff.
I want to keep that for bigger bait for the
No, we
ocean.
can't keep that.
Why?
You can't keep fish here.
Let me get my phone.
Mm-hmm. He's about 23, 24 inches.
Hold him by the tail.
Yeah.
On it?
Yeah. I'm gonna need the net. Gosh, did you see my pole? Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh, man. You broke off?
Yep.
You broke your whole line.
I know, it's a good one.